Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can move Steam games from one PC to another in a few easy steps. For start, it will sound really like hard, but it's actually not. So let me show you. The first thing you need to do is just go to library, and when you're gonna game, like you have a game that you want to transfer, right? Right click on it, go to properties, local files, and first backup game files. Okay, this is the first thing we need to do. Okay, this is when it's going to back it up. File size, okay. Now, back it up, and when you will have it, I'll just cancel it. Just like, this is just like what you should do. Back up the game file, so we have like, I don't know, Warhammer or whatever. Now, when you got it, we're gonna continue. Let's browse local files. This is what we are going to copy. So this is really important. Now, what you need to do is when you're gonna create a new account, I have it right here, Steam 1. It's going to look like this. So this is Steam, Steam Apps, and this is the same folder, right? But it's going to be named Steam Apps. This is just a showcase, right? So first, you need to create a folder. Come on your new computer, right, guys? You understand it, right? Come on. Okay, we got it. Now, when we go back, you want to copy all this. So first, let's add a folder here. So just copy the whole folder, the game, right here. Okay, so we copied the code. We copied the whole game, not code, but whole game, we got it in our new Steam account. In common, Steam Apps common. Nice. When you have it, the next step, the last step you need to do, it's really simple. You're gonna be in common. You're gonna be here in Steam Apps. I should have renamed the Steam Apps, but it's okay. This is a Steam Apps folder. And you need to copy one of those here. So what I'm going to do, I will just go to store. I will search for the game Brawlhalla. Okay. And when I'm going to copy page URL in the new Steam account I got, I go to Notepad, I paste it, and I see this number 291550, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to my Steam Apps, and I will just copy this app manifest to the new Steam application, Steam Apps folder. So this is pretty much how we do it. So this is like Steam Apps, common, we have the game, we have the sword modes, and then we copy the code based on the page we see here. And this is it. And this is how you move games from one PC to another. So also you need to download everything, but you understand it, how it works. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.